Hi there, Steam Sprouts and Steam Sprout families. This is Miss Sky, and I am going to be showing you how to use the school Kahoot. So we already have a Kahoot made up, and so if if parents would just log in with the teacher login and press play for the Steam Sprouts garden questions, this is the screen that you're going to see. So to set up the game, go ahead and press player versus player on one-to-one devices and do classic. Since you're doing this at home, you're only going to have one or two students, however many students are in the classroom, and you'll get to a game pin like this. Your students can put in this game pin into their own Kahoot so that they can join the game. So we'll start by waiting for a couple players. All right, so it looks like all the Steam Sprouts that are going to play this game have joined. So let's get started. You can go ahead and click on this start button. All right, so this is a quiz question. Students will read the question right here and then be given 20 seconds to respond. Then once time runs out or all students have answered, the right answer will show up on the screen and it'll show how many students got it right and how many students may need to revisit that point in the chapter. It also keeps track of your scores. And so at the very end of the game, there is a first, second, and third place based on the score. The score is determined by correct answers and how quickly your students answer those questions. So time is of the essence. All right, and then we can see that this is a true or false question, which has true or false as an answer. And it shows the correct answer in bright red after, or it shows it the wrong answer blurred out. This is another quiz question. And as you can see, our student picked the correct answer, which shows up brighter than all the rest of them. And since we only have the one student, she earns all those points. Another quiz question. Make sure your students read these quiz questions very carefully. All right. Now, for the sake of brevity and time, I'm going to speed up to the end of this recording. All right, we are gearing up for the last question, another quiz question. This one is worth double points. Now, there may be some trick questions like this where every single answer is a possible one. So at the very end of every Kahoot game, we'll have this podium. So if we had more friends playing, there would be a third place, a second place, and since we have our star student Violet playing, she gets first place. Congratulations, Violet. This is a great study resource if you want to work with your child on their key concepts both inside and outside the garden, and if you want to work on them at home as well. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.